My people, how una dey na? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending the location you're watching me from. Please guys, if you love my video, please follow my page, share my video, like, comment and share so that I'll be posting more interesting video. Okay, thank you guys, I love you. So today I bring to you another interesting thing, and I know you guys will like it. So today I want to ask you guys, between washing machine and hand washing, which one do you like? As you guys are washing, this is washing machine. So this one now Yubo washing machine. But in Africa, we have our original way of washing our clothes, and if you see that in the next video, just keep on washing. I love you. Thank you. So this is the African way. This is the original African way of washing our clothes. This one no machine. Use your hand and wash it very well. Me, I prefer this one. Oh. I love washing my clothes with my hands. So guys, keep on washing. After washing the clothes, you will spread it under the sun so that it will dry. After dry, you pack it in. So guys, tell me, between washing machine and using your hand to wash your clothes, which one do you prefer? As the original African girl I be, original Igbo girl, I dey use my hand to wash my own clothes. Hey, I don't know for you, so tell me in the comment section, washing machine versus hand washing, which one you choose? Okay, I'll be reading your comments. Guys, remember to share this video, please. If you love me, share this video. Please comment, like, follow my page. So follow my page so that once I drop video, you watch it. Okay? I still remain your favorite girl, Adamazi Chomzi. Ada na-erukwu anụ. Oke ada gara kwesịrị. So no mind the environment where I dey there wash my clothes. If you have been following my page, you will find out that I like natural things. I like local things. So that's why it is like that. Me, I too like nature. I like to be original. I don't like fake life or living fake life in order to please someone. No. So this is me washing my clothes. So keep watching, guys. Keep watching the video to the end. Okay? Love you. I'm done washing one or two clothes, so I'm spreading the clothes now. So after spreading the clothes, I'll leave them to dry under the sun. After dried, I'll pack them in. This is the original African way of washing our clothes. See my oversized slippers now. Guys, thank you.